Introducing the Silicone Dugout, the best way to enjoy your favorite herbs while on the go. The dugout comes with 5 different color options to fit any style. The dugout comes with 6 pieces. The first is the dry herb container, used to keep your favorite herbs fresh. Next is the silicone body, which holds all of the other pieces within. Following that is the 2 anodized metal bats used to smoke your herb of choice. Next is the smell-proof cap that creates an airtight seal with the silicone body. Lastly is the packing tool used for loading or cleaning the anodized metal bats. To use the dugout, start by removing the cap and fill in the dry herb container. Next, remove one of the metal bats and push the tip into the dry herb container to pack the bat. Now that the bat is ready, light the tip and inhale in. To use the bat for a second hit, start by taking out the packing tool and scrape the inside of the metal bat to remove any leftover ash. When finished, repack and you will be ready to enjoy another hit. To clean the anodized metal bats, start by removing them from the dugout and placing them in a bag of isopropyl alcohol. Next, shake the bag and allow to soak for an hour. Once complete, rinse with water and allow to air dry. If the silicone body is dirty, take a piece of tape and use the sticky side to wipe away any dirt or grime. In case of a lost or broken piece of equipment, replacements for both the anodized metal bat and packing tools are available. Silicone Dugout by White Rhino. Buy the Silicone Dugout now and improve your smoking experience at whiterhinoproducts.com or visit your local retailer.